Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and today we're going to do some beauty box and new drugstore. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're well, and I hope you like what you see. I've got kind of a mishmash for you, like a little bit of something. Little something and a little something. So LookFantastic sent me their September beauty box. I did not want to wait too long before I shared it with you because September's kind of clipping along. So they just sent me this and it's really pretty. It's kind of, you know, I don't know. I just want to let you know what's out there. If you're not into subscription boxes or anything like that, that's okay. But I think sometimes it's fun to hear about different brands or different retailers. Maybe I have a discount code and you can find something else you already use or you've been interested in on that website. So, you know, think of me as like a little encyclopedia. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, LookFantastic. It is a UK-based company, but they have a US, Canada, Australia, like they have a number of websites accessible and of course international shipping. And they do have a subscription beauty box. And I have a special where you order a year's worth, you get this month for $1. I'm gonna let you know what's in it and show you, and you can decide. Every box comes in this like little cardboard getup, right? I mean, it's a box. You get a brochure on what's in it, kind of like a mini magazine. And in this month's box, it's a lot of, so it's a celebration of beauty, and there is just some high-end skincare, hair care. It's a combination of full-size or deluxe travel size. Here is this month's selection. I'm very excited. What is this? This is called palpebral cream. Palpebral cream. SVR Laboratories. It is a hyaluronic acid omega cream made in France. Helps, oh my gosh. It helps with irritated eye area, like eyelids and stuff. A calming, soothing eye cream that will provide your delicate eye area with up to 24 hours of hydration. Use a small amount. I mean, you can use it throughout your eye area, and I believe this is full size. It is a ½ ounce. No smell, thank God, because if it did, that would really negate. I'm just gonna kind of do this over my makeup. Why not, right? Huh. It's soothing. It has a velvet texture. It helps reduce redness for a more comfortable eye area. I don't know about you, but I do get irritated eyelids, irritated lash line, just sometimes a little bit irritated right underneath, you know, and it's a number of reasons why. So this is really exciting. Then we have the Christophe Robin Intense Hair Mask infused with 98% natural ingredients. Okay, I'm down. Aloe vera juice, citric acid. Apply a small amount through damp hair after shampooing. 1.3 ounces. So it's like a, oh yeah, that's good. that works. We have here, yeah, aloe is its first ingredient, and it has a lot of like sunflower seed oil, kernel, argan kernel, you know, oil. Oh, there's a By Terry in here. Where are you? Ooh, what is this? This is a By Terry lip balm. A nourishing lip balm with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. That is perfectly soothing and provides shine. Apply to the lips throughout the day. If you love rose, you will love this. If you don't like rose, you might not like this. Okay, let me see. I'll let you know. Ooh, okay. So that is very interesting. It is definitely not just a lip gloss. And it has kind of a, almost like a gel texture to it for a balm. I'm sure there are some fancy people out there that really rely on this for their lip treatment. So I bet you it's good stuff. Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. Oh my gosh, yes. So this helps with keratosis pilaris, which is bumpy chicken skin, which happens when your skin doesn't exfoliate as fast as, or I should say, your skin exfoliates, but then it gets kind of stuck in the hair follicles. And this helps to alleviate that, is what it claims. It has lactic acid, shea butter, and coconut oil. A little bit came off, that's why I'm kind of laughing. So it is a scrub. Oh, it's scented, but almost like a baby powder. Like it's almost like a, yeah, it's not like fragrant perfume. It's sort of purposeful, you know. All right, next there is a, what is the brand? 3INA. Oh, it's it's an eyeliner pen in a brown shade. Whoa, do you see the length of that tip? Huh. I've never seen anything that long. Whoa, that is so cool and so pigmented. Wow. So this is the 3INA in 575, placing the eyeliner as close as you can, super fine, flexible precision, smudge free. Whoa, this is so cool. I didn't realize how having a long tip like that is very helpful. And last, we have a brightening sheet mask from Beauty Pro, and this is collagen, vitamin C, and aloe vera. I cannot use this because it has geranium oil and witch hazel, and some fragrance, so. But I know a lot of folks love this kind of thing and they don't care about that. Not that, meaning it doesn't affect their skin like it does mine or some of you, so I get it. It describes itself as a youth-inducing sheet mask enriched with an abundance of anti-aging ingredients. You will look amazing in 15 minutes. Thank you so much, Look Fantastic. Some of these products in here are just so much fun to discover. I think that is the whole point, right? Okay, so I have a combined haul here / what's new items at the drugstore. It's both Ulta and CVS, and I just thought I would share with you because you'll probably be seeing them soon in videos. And the first thing I got is this Honest Beauty setting spray, and it's called the Safe Face Shielding Setting Spray. It's fragrance free. I don't think there's anything in here that's gonna upset my skin. And I always smell, when I say it's fragrance free, I always smell it and then just to like convince myself. I'm gonna put this on. Honest Beauty had a mister. I don't know if it was marketed as a setting spray, but they have repackaged just about everything. So I really wanted to try this out because I feel like it's got a bit of skincare in it, but maybe if it is good for setting makeup, yay, double bonus, right? So it's nice. I dig that. Oh, and then I picked up this Indeed Labs Hyaluron. So this is a moisture jelly with hyaluronic acid and Patch H2O, which seems like one of their proprietary ingredients. It has water, glycerin, propylene glycol. It also has like sodium hydroxide, sodium hyaluronate, potassium, yeah. So basically, what I thought was fun about this is how it has its packaging. It's got that thing you push down so that the product comes out without being exposed to anything. It's airtight, and I think this is going to be fun to try. It looks very just super hydrating. It is kind of like a water jelly on your skin. And I like Indeed Labs. I haven't used them for ages, and they are now at Ulta. This is 1 ounce, and I think it was in the $20 price range. I picked up the Pacifica. I like the vegan ceramide cleanser and lotion. It's fragrance free, and I featured it for a bargain of the week. They also have these ceramide patches for your eyes and just anywhere, smile lines. And I just thought that would be fun to try something if I wanted to, you know, just kind of plump up my face and special occasion if there happens to be one and I'm putting on makeup that I feel special about. So yeah. So I also picked up this Undone eyeshadow quad. It's wow, it's like really, yeah. Undone Beauty is at Target and Ulta, and this is an interesting little, I mean, it's got like a fun shade like duochrome, but then it has some neutral. Yeah, I like this. I like Undone. This seems a little, oh, it's really pretty. It's got sparkles in it, but it's not chunky, doesn't seem to fall. This is like a, ooh, that's pretty. That's one of those duochrome, like, oh, it's green, but then it has like a reddish tint to it, and it's pink, and yeah, really cool. Here's that still. Whoa, that is set. Okay, so we have that. Oh, Flower has this new, I thought this was eyeshadow. It is not eyeshadow. It is a eyebrow palette that is for concealing, prepping the eye area, and you get this, so this is the light. So this is right here, this is a primer. It's like a clear gel, it looks pink, but it's a primer. Then these are the two concealers, so different shades, so you can maybe use this as like a more corrector, and then this is like your light. You can put this on your eyelid as well. And then this shade right here, or sorry, this powder right here is supposed to be like a setting powder for your concealer. And it has quite the sheen. This is Emilio Estevez sheen right here. It's nice, it's soft. But, you know, I think it's okay for a highlight, I think it's okay for an under eye setting powder. We'll see. And then this little roller, this little ball, she just threw that in because everyone is rolling cold little balls on their face. And I think that's really cute. So we shall play with that. Again, more Flower Beauty new highlighters, and I thought if this is as good as the Heat Wave bronzer, then I need to try it. So let's swatch it. It is called the Stellar Prismatic Highlighter. I got shade Solstice. Ooh, this looks chunky. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, here we go. Ready? It's chunky. Okay, so I just basically made the whole thing like glow. I don't think this is gonna be for me. That is, oh wow, that is glitter. That is straight up glitter. I'm scared. I'm not putting this on my face today. Yeah, that's a lot of glitter. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. I picked up a couple JOA items. I felt like I've been raving about them, and I needed a few more shades in some of the products I already like. For instance, this I'm Your Jelly Bae. I got it in shade Honey. I have shade Hubs, which wasn't there. That's cute. Very mauve. And I picked up another La Bam Balm, and this is shade Tiny Bikini. How does this compare? Ooh. I shared the, ooh, you know what? I bet you this is a NARS dupe right here for sure. Yep. Yeah, I shared the other one in this. I can't remember the shade. And I was like, the formula is like the NARS Matte Balm, but the shade I couldn't quite get. Now I think that shade is, yeah. Okay. I've got this Crystal Glow highlighter, Jelly Balm highlighter. Well, let's see. Okay, because is it sparkly like flour? It says it's jelly. I want to make sure I have a clean finger, no previous glitter. It does not feel like gel. Oh, but, okay, this is really cool, I think. So it has kind of a wet sheen to it. And yeah, I'm trying to feel like if there is a texture. There isn't really, but it does feel set. Like the other one felt like you could feel kind of some of the particles in it. This one is very smooth, very soft, but do you see how it has that wet look? Kind of fun, kind of fun. I think I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna do a full face of Joa here soon for a video. So there you have it, some new drugstore purchases. I've got the beauty box. I'll list everything below. So if you want to look for it on the internet, I will help you out with that. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.